In this video, we will show you how to install WinZip application on Windows 11. To installing the WinZip application, WinZip application is very useful apps, So you can just type WinZip on your web browser, for example here. Just type on the WinZip and make sure you open the correct website. It's called winzip.com. You can just open it, and in here you can free download the WinZip. Or if you open this web page with the directly have download button, you can just click try it free. Okay, just click here and make sure you download the files. Okay, and after that you can just click or open the file. You can just double clicking on it and then click next to start installing the WinZip and click agree. Okay, I will minimize the web browser or just closing the web browser. And in here, you don't need to install this extension. Okay, just untick this, then click next. Just click agree for the license terms. Now the WinZip is downloaded. The WinZip is installing. Okay, please wait. This configuration with WinZip, we can creating a zip files, and also we can manage our file easily on Windows 11. Now almost complete the installation of WinZip. We can just please wait until the finish box is confirmed here. Finish the installation successfully. Just click finish after that. Now we can try using WinZip. You can open it via desktop shortcut, or you can just open via your programs here. Let's see our WinZip apps. Okay, you can see here is installed here. If you have the subscriptions, you can activate now, or you can continue using trial version. Okay, you can see there is encryption, there is also minutes, the compressed file like zip or another. Okay, there is also can create zipx, zip, and another format here. And that's all tutorial how to install WinZip application on Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.